I am me. I will never pretend to be another. I will never want to be another. I will not change how I'm just to fit in. I am me. I'm not perfect, but I'm working on myself. Working to become the best version of myself. I'm working on myself to continue to expand my own self through my own walk, in my own way. I am me. Not the me you think I am. Not the me you want me to be. But just me. The one I want to be. I am me. I make my own decision. I don't follow. I walk my own path. It's not always easy, but I'd rather walk alone than walk with others in the wrong direction. I am me. I'm strong. I have a big heart. I speak my truth. I don't back down. I am me. I don't steal. I get after what I want. I won't apologize for being me. I am me. I accept you. I accept everyone as they are, as they want to be. And that's me.